Flight engineer.
Oh my God.
Prepare test. Hit your flashing button.
Oh my God.
Good
wow.
job, engineer.
Here we go.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down.
Oh, jeez.
Watch it. Like this thing will be easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Go down, honey. Oh.
Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons.
Fire the harpoon!
Left pilot brakes.
We don't have power!
That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Oh. Whoa.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something from Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep bashing those controls. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here!
Oh.
That missile war was gone.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Repairs.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you listen to parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Time for you to know. Don't worry. Payment is on the way. Trust me.